So, how many of you love to create AI image? Type it down me in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you for your response. How many of you love designing skill? Type it down D in the chat box. My name is Farin Sheikh. I'm from Baroda, Gujarat. By profession, I'm a fashion designer and a diamond elite at CI. I thank Kirtan sir and CI community for giving me this opportunity. So before CI, what I was before CI, like before CI, as a fashion designer, I organized fashion show. And when it come to public speaking, I get scared. I was not able to speak in front of public, in front of camera. When camera come, I get fear. मुझे बहुत डर लगता था. I ran away from that situation only. So communication barrier was there. Things are in my mind, but I was not able to present. How can I present? The things are in my mind. The communication barrier was so high. I got depressed in that. Now at that moment I decide now I want to solve this problem. How can I solve this problem? And then one day I attend the master class of Kirtan sir and I enter in the CI. So I joined CI on March 26, but after 15 to 20 days I jump as this to become diamond. Why this happened? In short time duration, even I have not completed my foundation. Superhero was not yet completed, but I become diamond elite. But what was that shift? The shift was in that 14 to 15 days, I was able to speak in front of public. So that was the thing. Like, just attending the DSP, I was thinking, like, just attending the DSP, I can get this much of benefit. And if I go ahead in my journey, what will happen? What changes I can feel? So I just directly jump into Diamond Elite and become Diamond Elite on June 26, 2025. And after becoming Diamond, I started my superhero, started my success journey and become success journey practitioner. And then I started working on skills. First skill that I completed was advanced communication. And then I started designing skill. So what was before the problem that I was facing before learning the skill? As an organizer, as a fashion event organizer, I usually want to publish, like before event I want to publish all the project on social media. Like I want to create a poster, logo for the promotion. At that time things were inside my mind, but I cannot present it properly. And for the presentation I need to ask to my friend, can you please design for me? And that was the thing I was always facing in every of my event. And that was the thing that solved after I learned designing skill. So what did I start learning after designing skill? I learned Canva, I learned Adobe Photoshop, I learned Adobe Illustration. So this was the first logo that I made for myself and the visiting card. Then the journey started. I built my strong foundation on social media. I start creating the posters, Instagram highlights on social media and create a strong presence over there. Then I started creating the poster, book mock-up and logos, everything. These are the designing. These are the design that I learned after learning the designing skill. Then I learned how to create my speaker profile. Then after I completed the designing skill. So after completing the designing skill, what was the exact benefit for me? One time, if you learn one skill, lifetime benefit. So what benefit I got after learning this skill? So as an organizer, I start using my logos in my event. I start using on my events. Like I launched my sustainable fashion brand. This poster was designed by me itself. I used the banners that are designed by me. I was like, oh my god! After learning this skill, I can get this much benefit in my personal brand. I start using everything in my personal brand. So this is the photograph that I use my designing skill in my fashion shows. Then this was a fashion show where in Mumbai, Arbaz sir was as a guest. See, you can see the logo that is backside exactly Arbaz sir. So this way I start using all the logos, all the poster. Now I'm able to design my own poster, my own, like if someone will ask right now, if can you design a poster or a logo for me, I'm totally ready to design. After learning this skill, I get this benefit for myself, and as well as I start guiding my student to do the same thing, because I start understanding how benefit is this. If I would love the design, I would start implementing in my personal brand, then how my personal brand is growing, my student personal brand will be grow same. So I start guiding them, and this are the design my student has designed for themselves, their logo, the visiting card. So the lesson that is, take step by step instead of growing with the flow. Be hungry to learn. Ask for support. Thank you so much.